Hey, what's up, everybody? Billy here. I was doing another tutorial for the Profit Machine, and I know I've seen a lot of questions coming in about solo ads, and some of them not turning out how you guys wanted them to turn out. And one of the ways that I've had success with solo ads is by doing a lot of tracking. So I'm gonna make this quick video here today to show you guys how to track, especially if you're new. I use a software to do this, but this is a way to track a little bit better than the way you're doing it now, and that'll help you make smarter decisions when you go out and buy your next solo ad. So with that being said, let's get started. So once you log into your affiliate back office, you're just going to scroll down on the dashboard page, basically the home page, and just click this down arrow. And you can see I have a link here that's probably not on yours because this one I made. So the way this works, guys, if you want to, whatever page you want to use, let's just say you're going to use page 4, you want to just hit the select here and then just copy. You can just click that, or you can actually click in the window and copy it that way as well. And then you scroll down here and you can say add link. And you can see here it already pre-populates the Profit Machine. So you just want to delete that and paste what you copied up here. Okay, so this goes in here and it says link name. So we can just name it Aweber. And then I'm going to put, actually, we're talking about solo ads. So you could put solo ad vendor 1. And then you can just this is optional, so you don't have to fill this out. You can if you want to. You can put today's date, the date that you started it, and then just hit save. And once that happens, you can see that up here this link changed, right? It's still it's your new link, but it's page 4, and you can see that right here. It'll say page 4. But this is the link now that you want to use for solo ad vendor 1. So you literally copy this, and basically if we scroll back up here, you can see I have 368 clicks. So what I'm going to do, this is how you test it, is just open an incognito window, and I'm going to paste the link there and enter, and the page comes up. So that's the first thing you want to see. But if we exit out of here and refresh the page, this should go to 369. And there you go, 369. So that lets us know that it works. So here's how you look at that information. If you scroll up and then go to details at the top of the page, you scroll down here and you can see the top 10 URLs. You can click on top 10 sub IDs, and you can see right here, this one right here was the link that we opened. So if you ran 200 clicks to this link right here, this will eventually say 200. And if you got any signups, it'll show signups, and the same with customers. And again, if they purchase, 2 months down the road, this, this will give you the correct number. So what this allows you to do is have several of these sub IDs here. So if you're, run 4 different solo ad vendors, I would make 4 different links. And this way you can see how it does. It'll tell you the clicks and signups, so you can, get the best opt-in rate possible. And then if you get sales, obviously that's a plus. But this allows you to see the data a little bit more clearly, and this way you know where to go buy more traffic from, because you're getting a good amount of signups from the clicks, and then you're actually getting customers. So again, if we come back up to dashboard and we click on here, we have solo ad 1. We can so let's say we want to test. Sorry about that. Let's say we want to test opt-in page 3. We just hit select, and then we just copy this, add link. Now we can say solo ad vendor 2, and then you can put whatever date that's going to be, or whatever you want here, guys. This is totally up to you. And then we're going to paste that link here and save. And you can see now it has a solo ad number 2 with our sub ID. So again, whenever you need to look at that data, just click on details, scroll down, you can click on top 10 sub IDs, and you'll be able to see where all your sales and all your referrals are coming from. And that's literally all you do. this alone right here will save you tons of money, tons of time, because you're going to know where your traffic's coming from. So you could do the same thing like here. You can see I got a sale from YouTube. I wouldn't have known where that sale came from if I didn't use this. So, that's a great way to do it. So if you're doing a social media post, you can, put FB post and then put the date of the post. So if you get a sell on that post, that's a good post and maybe you can use it again in the future. So with that being said, I hope this was useful to you. Again, this is the Profit Machine and how to track without a tracker. So if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you on that. Thanks for watching.